Hello, hello, hello. This is Attorney Mike Gravel coming to you from Chicago as usual. Oh, yes, our dreams have come true. Ever since we did a video on Judge Fleischer, everyone wanted to see see a SovCit try him. We get it today. Thank you, Alana Four Cats, for pointing it out to me in the Discord, and big shout out to Court Vibes. I poached a portion of this video. I put a link to that video in the description below, along with the link to the channel. She's got a whole call if you need more Fleischer fix. But I just poached the SovCit. It's delicious. Let's do this thing, shall we?
Can you please state your name for the record, ma'am?
Not.
Okay, thank you.
What do you want?
Lordship, my senior will not be here.
What do you want?
Lordship, another date, Lordship.
You can ask the clerk for one seated.
Here we go, guys. This is it. Pay attention.
Step up this way. Step up this way.
I don't understand what's...
Sir, you're here for your first appearance. We're getting you in front of the judge. So I'm asking you to step up here so you can go through this process.
Stephen, this is about to go really poorly, really quick. Come up, sir.
Okay.
It's going to go back to you regardless. Just wait. You now stand charged with your third case, sir.
What?
You now stand charged with resisting arrest and failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. You're now facing an additional year on each case. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Sir,
You do not have
Explain it to you right
I have
now.
the right to arrest me. I did nothing wrong.
Let's see.
I did nothing wrong. You do not have
in this
the,
courtroom.
I do not have, you do not have the right to arrest me. You do not. Are you acting under your constitutional oath today? Are you?
Yes.
You are? Okay, well, good. You are in agreement with the prosecutor, right? I make a motion that this case be dismissed.
I'm about to hold you in contempt if you...
For what? In order for there to be a crime, there has to be an injured person. The only person injured is me, and I have the scars from the policy officers beating me, pulling me out of my car without even telling me why.
Going to do
I
probably.
don't understand.
You have the right to
I
remain
do not
silent.
understand.
One more word and
I do not, you can't do that. In order for there to be a crime, this is against my constitutional rights.
Okay, you know.
Do I have a witness that they are committing treason? Do I have at least two witnesses? Do I have at least two witnesses that they are committing treason? This is treason. They're violating my rights. They are violating my rights.
I don't have any witnesses.
Look, see, that's what I'm talking about. Look.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, sir.
Put your hands behind your
You're
back.
violating my rights, and you all know it. The public prosecutor is there, a court reporter.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
You jumped up a notch.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Do I have two witnesses saying? Do I have two witnesses that say that they're committing treason? Please raise your hand. Do I have two witnesses that they're committing treason?
Sir.
Do I have two witnesses that they're committing treason?
No, you don't.
Raise your hand. Are you raising your hands? All right.
That would be the taser.
Put your hand. Move your hand.
Do I have two witnesses? Do I have two witnesses that they are committing treason? Raise your hand, stand up. Stand up for America. They are committing treason. They're committing treason. Raise your hands. No one. They are violating the Constitution. They are violating the Constitution. Oh! Stop. I have no cartilage in my left arm.
Stop resisting.
As the medical report shows, when y'all last officers last beat me up, I had to go to the hospital.
I'm trying to lift you up properly, but you will not stop resisting.
Man,
Hey, Karen. Silence.
Do this today, Your Honor. My health is in jeopardy right now.
What's up?
I have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome,
Mhm.
and what's been going on is
Very stressful.
I'm bleeding inside, ma'am.
I can't believe none of y'all are there violating the Constitution. This is treason. Raise your hand. I need 2 witnesses. I need 2 witnesses. The officers, y'all are going against y'all constitutional oath. You're going against your constitutional oath.
The first bond is revoked on the offense jail. Pardon. I'm sorry, the interference. Yeah. Hey.
Good question.
So.
He's a big dude. He weighs like 205 pounds.
Oh, wow. How do they try to do the felon?
I was like, maybe on his own, no matter how many complaints you have.
Never.
Yeah.
Simpson wasn't even here. At that point,
For a little
Yeah.
while, when did you get it? I was like, yeah. I was here, I think recent today.
and here he comes.
Yeah. Just go ahead and check. See what happens. Yeah, I'll hold on to it. They'll figure it out.
Hey, and I'm gonna let him calm down. I'm gonna try to talk to him, see if he'll take a lawyer. But you know how he's sovereign, so I don't know if he's gonna take it.
Yeah. Well, this thing.
Fullerton. Yeah, they get.
Judge,
do they usually like say they're sovereign citizens? Like,
As soon as he started saying that one thing, I saw you turn your head. You knew.
I was like, it's a sovereign. I was like, it's gotta be. Are you standing by your oath?
Right.
It's like, it's gotta be a
That's all
sovereign.
I have to hear.
Garcia.
Are we going?
Defense.
Antonio, going? We are? Okay.
So we're not.
So let's pick a new date.
Okay.
Or unless, do you want to work something out today or do you want to still go?
Wait.
Have you offered anything?
We have to speak together. I've been working with this case, so give us like 4 minutes and we'll reapproach together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well. Ooh.
I mean, take your time. If Pavel's saying, talk to him for a bit to see perhaps there's something that you guys can agree on.
Probably take this.
I don't know. Talk to Pavel, see what you can do, and then just.
You're one of the.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, there won't be no problem.
Prosecutor's about to tell the judge to bring him back out. And then Judge Fleischer's going to do us all dirty. Hold on.
We'll give one for the offer. That has to be a guilty.
Oh, I know.
It's just gonna be bid, so the terms are gonna be bid.
yeah, makes sense. Like, some need to.
I was thinking 12, maybe,
Let me.
no,
Like,
12.
I guess I could.
It's gonna be your guy one time.
I'm not gonna take it.
Okay. Judge, he's gonna talk to his client.
Yeah.
And I want to.
Indeed you did.
Hey, so I'd be remiss to think that that was a resisting out of a traffic infraction that he refused to get out of his car, hence a resisting.
Well, we weren't able to do PC, Judge. Gotta bring it back out.
We have to, right? I'm gonna
Wants
do
it back
PC.
out.
We're gonna have to, but I think you have to reset it for a day and then do PC. I mean, that's just. I don't think he's gonna be. I think he's gonna be the exact same.
Let's wait till the end of the occupancy if he calms down. I mean, he was on the first case because he was on the hunt for a case. He was MIA for what, 300 days, and now
My experience is generally, if someone gets tased, they're not gonna calm down. Oh,
If someone gets tased, they're not gonna calm down.
we'll see. Mr. Davis, hey, good morning.
Well, I didn't see it, but apparently he got tased.
Okay, all right. This is on Zoya Sutton, the discovery that's missing right now, the station videos
He definitely earned a tasing.
from JP.
Only 67 days. I don't, you can do whatever you want. No, I don't, right. I only get involved when it gets old. Whatever you want to do until that point.
Yeah. All right, thanks, Sheriff.
Hi, Mark.
My case is getting older.
Okay, that's different.
Another Cruz, DE.
Yeah, it's 200 days. That's old.
I asked in the previous setting whether the state has evaluated this case. It was not evaluated. Well, that's
All right, so let's roll it to Monday, and then,
no, the only reason is that Monday I'm going to be out of town. Okay, that's
Tuesday?
Tuesday. So the 16th.
If you want Wednesday, you can have Wednesday too, Mark. I don't care. Whatever day you want next week, Mark, it's yours.
I would prefer Friday, but I don't do.
You don't do Fridays, no.
Okay, so we'll keep it for Tuesday.
He said he doesn't do Friday,
Dela Cruz on page 7, Tuesday,
so I can't get him on Fridays.
please.
16th.
Yeah, next Tuesday for a re-rip.
Yeah,
Third rip.
Yeah, that's another thing, yes.
Anyway, Judge, just saying hello, good morning. See you later.
Where you ran?
Take care.
no, yeah, he's.
I'll get Christine.
Mark, at that time though, it's, right, you have an offer on the case now? Okay, so at that time, clear your trial though, okay? Okay, we got you. Thanks. Sure thing. Hey,
This is, preliminary for the jurors. We'll get back to you.
Bell.
So it's
Didn't send him down, did you?
No, I can't,
Can I see if I, can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Just let him calm down maybe in an hour and a half. Stoof a little bit. Hopefully he'll calm down. I gotta tell him I'm gonna revoke his bond. Hey, let's see. If not, then you know what? I'll go back and I'll tell him back there, you know? Well, in an hour. If he doesn't, I'll just go back there and tell him back there.
Because while he had the one open warrant, he picked.
That's very
I know,
rude,
I'm
Judge.
revoking the
Very,
bond.
very
I'm
rude.
revoking the bond on the first case, which is the interference.
Okay.
I wasn't even touch the other two, but now he's picked up a new charge. They're gonna file another resistance now, and then if they do that, now I'm gonna hook these two too.
Okay, so before you call him up, let me know so I can get all the,
Well, no, I'm just gonna go back there.
okay.
Just to make it
Because it'll be
easy.
less of a hassle.
Yeah. Hey, Stephen, don't send him down, but I'm just gonna go back there and talk to him back there, because I don't want another spectacle.
No, don't do it. Bring him out. He doesn't bring him back out. Judge, that was mean.
So Harvey was pulled over, and that's when he picked up the resisting and failure to ID, right? I'm doing a bail order.
Okay, there you have it. I let it run all the way through till the judge says I'm not. He's like, I still have to revoke him. I gotta go tell him he's revoked. I love Judge Fleischer. He's unmoved by all of it. He's just like, I just didn't have a chance to tell him he was revoked because he was getting tased. I absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved it. But they don't bring him back out. I took that again from Court Vibes, and that's who was talking in the background. But I thought, okay, I'll run it through so you see exactly what the judge said. Otherwise, it'll be conspiracy theory that I cut it off. I did not cut it off. That's that's all I got. That's all I had, but it was fantastic. For those of you who came in late, go back and see it from the beginning. It's definitely worth a look. Judge Fleischer everybody wanted to see him with the SovCit after the first video I did. So did I. And it goes down exactly like you would think. Zero patience. The appropriate amount of patience, which is zero for this nonsense. So fun. Thank you all for coming out. I appreciate it. I'll see you all soon.